Beautiful foaming whipped sugar scrubs. It's a wonderful trick that I have seen quite a few soapers do, and that's the old press and seal technique. And you just have the sticky side facing up so you can just pinch it together. So you're just trying to lay it in a row here. And then I'm going to do my purple. Okay, this should be interesting. Wow, look at that big pile of sugar scrub. Wow, I don't know. Wow, this is really, holy smokes. We have a lot here. Wow. Just go slow. Don't panic. Twist your thing. Just go slow, just kind of relax, enjoy the process, and it's okay if you make a mistake. That's just part of learning how to make skincare products. And usually you do it in smaller batches. So you would take the recipe, I would just cut it down a third, and that's what I did with the previous one, is I cut it down to half. Alright, so that's good there. Now, by time, I want to pipe this in. This is my big piping bag, which is awesome. I'm going to just stick it in the bag down here. Okay, so I'm going to take this, put it in here. It's not a big jelly roll. There you have it, some beautiful foaming whipped sugar scrubs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, but I think it came out really nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm. The smell is wonderful.